अस्सलाम इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैनेजमेंट लेक्चर 5 और आज जो है इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन में कंट्रोलिंग पे बात करेंगे। और आज जो है आप लोग देख रहे हैं थोड़ा सा ओपन एरिया में बैठे हैं, थोड़ा सा मौसम को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो आज कंट्रोलिंग की बात करेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन में व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग? कंट्रोलिंग इज बेस्ट defined as the management function of making sure that the work goes according to the plan. It is a process an organization implements and inverting the process and getting the goals done to monitor, to compare, to correct performance, जो performance चल रही है versus the standard जो कि define है, or it sees to be it to it the right things happen in a right way. The controlling is a three-step process measuring actual performance, comparing the actual with the standard, and then the corrective actions. Furthermore, controlling helps compliance with the basic organization rules and policies. It's a management important functions to implement your plan, to implement your actions according to the plan for achieving the target. It's it should check the errors as well, and it refers to planning, control, monitoring of a company process in order to achieve the goals efficiently and effectively. Controlling is a goal-oriented. It refers to the planning, controlling, monitoring of company process, ensure the achievement of strategic and operation goals. The organization, the firms, the company achieve the strategic, the operational goals through controlling. So it was all about controlling. Thank you so much.